You will be amazed by this 2020 Nissan Maxima. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. If you like the thrill of performance, you'll love this powerful Maxima. This full-size sports sedan offers the safety features, infotainment, comfort and spaciousness you want in a family car, and tops it all off with adrenaline-pumping exhilaration. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, backup camera, remote engine start, V6 cylinder engine, lane keeping assist, satellite radio. Infuse every journey with spirit and style in this performance-minded Maxima. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.